Welcome to NextGen Explains. This channel is all about explaining future technology in a calm, simple, and easy to understand way. If you've ever heard words like AI, artificial intelligence, or machine learning and felt confused or overwhelmed, don't worry. You are exactly where you need to be right now. Artificial intelligence is quietly working in your life. It decides which videos appear on your screen, which ads follow you online, which news shows up first. And yet, most people still ask the same question: what exactly is AI? Today, we will answer that question slowly and clearly. In this video, I will explain what artificial intelligence really means, how AI works step by step, where you already use AI without knowing, what AI can do well, what AI can never do, and what AI means for your future. No technical language, no coding knowledge required, just understanding. Artificial intelligence, often called AI, is a way of making machines behave intelligently. But intelligence does not mean emotions, it does not mean consciousness. AI simply means this: a machine that can learn from data and make decisions based on patterns. Humans learn through life experiences. We make mistakes, remember outcomes, and adjust our behavior. AI does the same thing, but instead of life experiences, it uses huge amounts of data. The more data an AI system sees, the better it becomes at prediction. Let's imagine a simple example. You show an AI one photo of a cat. It learns nothing. You show it 10 photos of cats. It starts noticing patterns. You show it 1,000,000 photos of cats and dogs. Now it can tell the difference. AI doesn't understand cats. It recognizes patterns like shape, color, texture. That's how AI learns. Humans think using emotions, memory, creativity, intuition. AI thinks using numbers, probabilities, patterns. When AI gives an answer, it is not saying this is true. It is saying this is the most likely answer based on the data I have seen. That's why I can sound confident and still be wrong. AI is already part of your daily routine. When YouTube recommends a video, AI has studied your watch history. When Google finished your sentence, AI has seen millions of similar searches. When Netflix suggests a movie, AI compares you with users like you. Even your smartphone camera uses AI to adjust lighting and focus automatically. AI is not new, it has simply become more powerful. AI works in 3 major stages. Stage 1. Data collection. AI needs examples. Without data, AI is useless. Stage 2. Pattern recognition. AI looks for similarities, differences, and repeated behaviors. Stage 3. Prediction or decision. AI chooses the most likely result. The quality of AI depends entirely on the quality of data provided by humans. There are 3 main levels of AI. Narrow AI. This is the AI we use today. It performs one task extremely well. General AI. This would think like a human. It does not exist yet. Super AI. Smarter than humans in every way. This is still science fiction, so there is no robot takeover happening. AI is excellent at speed, repetition, data analysis, automation. That's why companies adopt AI so quickly. AI cannot feel empathy, understand morality, create original emotions, replace human responsibility. AI depends on humans. AI itself is neutral, but humans can misuse it. That's why learning AI is better than ignoring it. AI will not remove humans, but humans who understand AI will have more opportunities. AI is a tool, and tools are meant to be used. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If this explanation helped you, subscribe to NextGen Explains. Here, we make the future simple. See you in the next video.